I'm Corie Cameron. I'm the owner of Crisp Greens on 6th Ave in Tacoma. And I'm going to be making our most popular salad dressing today, a creamy lime cilantro. And then we're going to actually use that to make a fresh seasonal cantaloupe, spinach, and bacon feta salad for everybody. It's a really simple salad dressing to make. Anybody can do it. It's super tasty, fresh, bright, citrusy, and we have everything all measured out, ready to go. So we're just going to put in all the ingredients to the blender. We have 8 cloves of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pepper. We have a 1/4 cup of whole grain Dijon mustard, and this is really important because the mustard acts as an emulsifier, so it actually binds the salad dressing together. Otherwise, you could use oil and water to make it a cohesive unit. We have 1 cup of water, 4 cups of fresh lime juice, and then I grabbed a couple bunches of onions and just roughly chop them up. It doesn't really matter if they're going in the blender, so however you can get them to fit in the blender. I would estimate about 20 green onions though. Then we have 3 cups of oil. And then we have 4 cups of freshly packed bright green cilantro. And honestly, you might not be able to fit it all in the first run, so you might have to pulse the blender and then go back and add more as that goes down. This is just a super easy dressing. We make it probably 3 or 4 times a day in the restaurant. It goes well with everything, almost any salad. You can use it as a dip with chips. It's great on like a seasonal fruit platter. We're gonna blend it up. And then once we get that down, we can now go ahead and add in some more cilantro. And then give it another good pulse in the blender and kind of just keep it moving around. I usually try to keep this salad dressing in my house at all times. Even my kids will eat it. There's nothing spicy, really simple, bright, citrusy. Give it another pulse in the blender. And then you can see that it's all one big, creamy, delicious. Oh, we have a piece of cilantro. Get rid of that. So now to make the actual salad, since we have all the dressing ready to go, you can use any greens you want. Use mixed greens, arugula would be really good in this. I have spinach today because that's what we have that is fresh and delicious. So take some of your greens. And you can easily make this salad vegan or vegetarian. The dressing itself is vegan, but I'm adding bacon to the salad today. You don't have to. So we're gonna have some bacon on here, some cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is awesome right now. It's super fresh. You can smell it. This would also be good. You could use peaches, you can use raspberries, basically any seasonal summer fruit that you have. It's really easy to adapt it. We've got some fresh cucumbers. I'm a big fan of red onions. I literally put them on everything I eat, so we're gonna put a roast them on there. Then the last item on here, some feta cheese. But you could easily leave the cheese off and run it non-dairy. This is a delicious, easy salad. It was under 3 or 4 minutes to make. It's great for summer, it's easy, it's fresh. My favorite salad right now. salad dressing. And you just mix it up, you eat